Michelle DuChamp de Interval International também está presente na gran award que a ACOYA a recebi e também a hiba palabra.
Interval International is a leading provider of exchange services and value-added products and services to our two constituencies, which is resort developer clients and then vacationers that exist worldwide. We're based in Miami, Florida, so we're a short flight away from all the different Caribbean islands. And our company over the years since 1976 has considered ourselves a pioneer and innovator in the industry of providing services and benefits to those clients and our consumer members. Today our network has approximately 2,900 resorts in 80 nations around the world. And through our offices in 16 countries, we develop and provide programs and services that will assist our developers in their efforts of marketing and selling their vacation product, and then offering ongoing vacation experiences to our approximately 2 million members worldwide that we work with through our various membership programs. When we look at the Caribbean is a very important market, and the company is committed to playing a significant role in this market and growing tourism within the Caribbean. We've been a long-time supporter of tourism industry in the Caribbean, and it has been involved in the region since 1977 when we actually affiliated our first Caribbean resort. Today, we're a strategic partner with the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association. We're a board member of CHTA. We're also a board member of the Caribbean Tourism Organization Foundation and remain committed to growing tourism in this region. One of the unique things that we've done over the past years is Interval International and our member resorts have actually partnered together to be leading sponsors and supporters of the CHTA and CTO education foundations. And in fact, in 2015, our combined donations have surpassed $600,000, making the shared ownership industry contributions the largest contributor to these great causes. So again, it's a very important market for us, and we see that there's a lot of growth opportunity in that market. When we look at the market overall, the other thing we look at is what studies show us. There's been various industry studies that have been done on existing members within the vacation ownership and vacation membership market, as well as studies that are done on prospective buyers. And in each instance, the Caribbean region shows as the most highly demanded international destination of both those existing members as well as prospective purchasers worldwide, which again just reinforces why we feel the Caribbean market is very strategically important for our company and its members. I also want to touch just briefly, because I feel it's important to touch on the economic impact that we feel vacation ownership and membership can bring to a market and have on a destination. Shared ownership has been heavily concentrated in a few islands that you may be familiar with. It's a heavy concentration in Aruba and St. Martin, for example, and has had a very positive impact on the economy in those destinations. When we look at the island of Curacao, we feel that it will benefit greatly from having a more diversified tourism product that not only includes your traditional hotels, whole ownership, but now expands itself further into that shared ownership and membership product. When we look at ACOYA Private Residence Club, we feel that adding the shared ownership component is going to benefit them in several different ways. We feel they'll enjoy advantages of more stable and predictable occupancy on a year-round basis and the ability to fill more rooms in those off-peak seasons based on the travel patterns we see with our members. Timeshare owners and vacation owners utilize food and beverage operations at resorts and other services that can be additional revenue streams that the resort will benefit from. Timeshare owners are known to extend their stay, adding additional incremental hotel nights to their visit to the market. And again, all of these things will impact tourism overall in the market as they enjoy other services and amenities that are offered on the island. Timeshare owners also typically book further out. And since they've booked their vacation in advance and are at times exchanging or have already purchased at the property, they feel as if they have more spending income when they are on their vacation, which then the island and the various amenities and services would reap the benefits of them feeling that they have more freedom in their spending. Additionally, one of the things we've seen over the years is that there are inevitable downturns in the economy that impact the tourism industry. And the vacation ownership industry has historically provided stability to a destination during these times, since there are already existing owners who have basically pre-purchased their vacation experience on island and will continue to come stay in their vacation time or exchange it and allow one of our members to further enjoy the vacation experience. So, and last but certainly not least, from an economic impact, we feel that having vacation ownership and these pre-purchased vacations helps with airlift to these markets, because airlines have a certain level of assurance that there are more vacation owners that are going to be traveling on a regular basis and on a year-round basis to these various markets. So that, I just wanted to paint an overall picture of where Interval International really does feel that there's value in assisting in the growth of tourism. The vacation ownership and membership products have been proven to help in various aspects of economies when we've gone into different markets. And one of the things that we're here today is to basically recognize ACOYA Private Residence Club, not just as the newest Caribbean affiliate with Interval International, but to also recognize it as an Interval International premier resort. To help distinguish our vacation experiences across those approximate 2,900 resorts we mentioned, Interval International has a resort recognition program. Since the program was launched in 2007, the award has recognized an exclusive group of resorts that exemplify high standards in terms of accommodations, amenities, and services. This resort's prime location, well-appointed villas, and personalized services that offer owners and guests the opportunity to enjoy exceptional vacations and make ACOYA Private Residence Club very deserving of this award. So it is my pleasure to ask John Kelly if he would please join me and present you with the Interval International Premier Resort Affiliation Award for 2015.